Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. For this year's 4th of July Tablescape, I'm doing a Coca-Cola theme with just a touch of vintage truck. I'm using gingham check, my collection of Coca-Cola dishes, and a red and white color scheme. So let's take a look around the table. For this tablescape, I'm using a red and white gingham check tablecloth. And I'm going to use my red chargers with stars. Mother found me these, I believe, at a thrift store. And for the plates, I'm using these cute Coca-Cola plates. They've got a red and white check border. I'm going to use red dinner napkins. And for my flatware, I'm going to use my gingham check. This came from Jenny's. I think that's such a fun pattern for summer picnics and summertime. And I'm going to use my Coca-Cola glasses with a red straw. Here in the center of the table, I've got my cute red truck. It's vintage style with its white wall tires. And here in the back, I've just put a couple of cartons of Coca-Cola. I picked that up at Hobby Lobby. And I've also put some red silk Gerber daisies on the table. I think this is such a cute ice bucket. I found it at Walgreens, and it has a little Coca-Cola bottle for the handle. And here in the top, I've got a vintage scoop. Mother and I, we buy all the vintage scoops that we can find. That one has a red wood handle. This is a Coca-Cola platter. I believe I picked it up at Dollar General. The Coke plates I found on eBay. Here I've got a Coca-Cola diner, a little tin. And at this end I have a Coca-Cola glass set. I've got the pitcher. I believe I found it at a thrift store, and the little glasses came from Dollar Tree that I paired it with, and the tray, I believe I found that at a yard sale. So this Coke stuff, it just kind of came from everywhere. I think a piece or two came from Walmart, and then I also found some at some yard sales. So I just keep my eyes out. Anytime I find Coke stuff, I add it to my collection. Got a red and white candle here. I think those were made by Pioneer Woman. I've got a cherry pie. This is a pie cover, and I've set it on a white milk glass cake stand. Guys, like I said, I bought the truck at Hobby Lobby back shortly after Christmas, and it was supposed to be 50% off. And I asked the lady when she rang it up, it was 40% off. And I said, well, I thought it was on sale. She said, well, that's a summer truck. I thought, okay, as opposed to what, a winter truck? So apparently this is a summer truck. I do have another similar truck to this. It's a little more like a T model, and I used it in a previous Christmas video, but I just had to have one more truck. I love these trucks. I've got this cute little Coca-Cola tin, sort of like a little lunchbox. I've got a salad bowl or chip bowl. That's Coca-Cola. And here at the back of the table, I have my Coca-Cola slushie machine. And Mother and I kind of have a weakness for this sort of thing. It's made by Nostalgia. They have all these cute little machines that do different things. We've got ones that cook hot dogs, that make popcorn, cotton candy, all sorts of things. Sometime I'll have to do a video just on all my little Nostalgia machines. But they're a fun thing to use, especially if you have children for birthdays and parties and that kind of thing. But this here is to make your Coke slushes. And it says Coca-Cola on it. And I've set it on a white milk glass cake stand. It's a lot easier sometimes when you're using crafts or things like this, just to set them on a stand. It sets them up a little bit taller. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you a wonderful 4th of July and a happy summer. Bye-bye now.